Hey guys, I'm here to do another Michael Kors video, and this time I have a bag that I purchased. I want to say I got this bag from Macy's, I think. But anyway, this bag you can wear it in two different ways, and I'll be showing you that in a minute. So let me show you guys what I got. So here it is. Take that off. And this is called the Michael Kors Greenwich large grab bag, and this is in the color black, and the interior is dusty rose. I think it's dusty rose. Let me see. Yes, it's dusty rose. No, I said I got this bag from Macy's. I got this bag from Bloomingdale's. Okay, yeah, I got this from Bloomingdale's. And I did have this bag in the color gray also, but I sold that one a long time ago. So, well, I think I sold it like last year, but I did have it in another color. But I decided to keep the black one because I like the black one better. So let me show you guys the bag. So here is the front of the bag. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. And then here's the bottom of the bag. And it does have feet. So yay for the feet. And then in the front it has just this little small pocket right here. And you may consider stick your phone in there. My phone is in my bedroom, so I don't have it. But yeah, I'm sure a phone can just sit right there. And then it does have, it has a little Michael Kors sign right there. Show you guys the inside of the bag. So here's the inside of the bag. Like I said, it is a dusty rose color. And it just has this one zip pocket that's at the bottom of the bag, which is different. But yeah, it's just sitting at the bottom of the bag. And then there isn't another pocket on the other side. So like I said, this bag can be worn two different ways. You can wear it this way, you know, just hold it like this with the, you know, the long way. Or you can take this clip right here and then you'll attach it to this little hook, and then you will close it and you'll button it right here, and then you have like a bucket bag. So there's the other way that you can wear the bag. And I thought that was so cute. And this bag does also come with a set of, not a set, but it comes with a strap. And you'll attach it right here to these hooks or whatever. So, and I'm sure you can wear it crossbody, but to me, it's too big of a bag to wear as a crossbody. But because I'm only 5'2", so I look like a whole fool trying to wear this bag as a crossbody. But I would wear it either like this, or I would put this on and have it as a, you know, a shoulder bag. So it does come with an extra set of straps. But yeah, y'all, this is the Greenwich. Let me let y'all look at the tag. This is the Greenwich grab bag in the color black and dusty rose. Hopefully that'll focus. And like I said, I did have this bag in the gray color. I want to say it was pearl gray, but like I said, I did sell that bag, and I just decided to keep the black one. And I want to say this is like the Saffiano leather or whatever. It's a really pretty, really soft, super duper cute bag. Real classy bag. And I had thought about getting rid of this one, and I kept looking at it and I was like, nope, I'm gonna keep it. So don't ask if I'm getting rid of it, because I'm not. I'm gonna keep this one. This is super duper cute. And they may still make this bag. I mean, I don't know about making it, but you may still be able to find this bag, because I know when they were when they did first come out with this bag, I seen it in blue, this black I got, the gray. I've seen it in green. I've seen it in white. So I've seen it in I want to say red too. It came in a bunch of different colors, and you can still find this bag on, y'all know, Poshmark, eBay, and all that stuff, Mercari, all that. So y'all, but like I said, it does, you can do it as 2 different looks. So you can do it like that, or you can unsnap it, unhook it, and you can just wear it, you know, like this. Super duper cute either way. Either way it goes. Super duper cute bag. I need to hurry up and carry this bag, because this is too cute to be just sitting in my closet. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this bag. And if you guys have any questions, y'all know what to do. And I will talk to you guys later. And y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.